Hello, hi. That one, they are the same. They're sisters, si Sisi and si Kuko. So they are wearing same shirt and t-shirt. They're wearing the same t-shirt and the same shirt also. Kumbaga design. So this one is from the grandma, Hadeya. From the parents of Sarah. And some of them also in the previous for Jiddo, for the side naman of Madam. Oh, and this one here. Oh, so this is the size already because last time they're bringing short, small. Oh, okay. So I keep them to make a video about their presents new. Oh, that's what I don't think so if this one is the shop that they are doing. Oh, they are buying. They're buying dress. Okay, oh, you see. Oh, she has also a small underwear. Okay, and now, so we fix the small from the big balcony. Now it's become the small balcony half. So at least they may cover already protection of the wind or in the raining, the rain time and the dust talaga. So now, so I can put my laundry. Oh, the stuff. Oh, that one is from Jiddo Muhammad. Okay. And the stuff that she can wear, that is from the tita and the Jiddo Kamal, the parents of Sarah. And that one also is from the father of Madam. Okay, so and this one also, Sir, oh no, Jiddu Kamal, he brought her grandfather, the father of Sir. Okay. So, you see. And where is the, I don't know where is the mga balls. There is the balls, that one. This one is his father. Mga balls to put inside there so that Coco she can sit down and watch that. And we have a very beautiful turtle. Oh, you see. So that's what we have here in our presents for my Coco, for our little Coco. The baby little Coco, and it's the nanny. It's right. It's time for the beauty of nanny, si Nanny Grace, si Nanny Tata. Thank you again. Thank you for watching. Thank you for the support. Thank you for the all blessings what we have to all people in this world. Even we are not the same nationalities. Of course, we are not the same. The different nationalities, okay? So I say thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Hindi naman tayo makapag-stand up yung ano natin. Okay, so hi, thank you again, and bye-bye. Ay, nako. Hilig-hilig talaga yan ni Sir. Oh, you see? Saka ni Madam. Ayan. Oh, especially yung mga friends nila both together. Both side. Okay, so thank you again. Thank you, and bye-bye.